Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Roblox error code 277. Let's fix it guys. Before moving on to the video guys, don't forget to leave a like. First solution to check status in Roblox guys. To do this, open up Chrome. You just need to search for status Roblox and you will be getting statusroblox.com. Click on it. Select back to current status. This will show you the operational status for Roblox and their servers. So you can see if they maybe you are getting this error because of the server or down or not. So if everything says operational, then that's be good. After checking it, close out of here. Now you can also try restarting your PC guys. Sometimes simply restart can fix the problem guys. So that you can also try it. After restarting, if you're still having a problem, let's move on to the second solution. The second solution is to run the network troubleshoot. To do this, open up search menu and type troubleshoot. Click on open it guys. Click on other troubleshooters. Select the network and internet troubleshoot to run. Follow the on-screen instruction and do it guys. After doing it, hopefully your problem will be solved. If you're still having problem, let's move on to the third solution guys. Third solution is to uninstall and install the Microsoft version of Roblox. To do this, go to search menu and type control panel. Click on open it. Click on uninstall a program. Right click on the Roblox player. Right click on it and select uninstall it guys. After uninstalling it, close out of here and go to search menu and type store. Click on Microsoft Store. Search here Roblox. Click on the Roblox and click on the get option guys. I already installed it. The reason we do this because the Microsoft Store version of Roblox is more stable guys. I hope one of these solution fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and you can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.